Inhale, Om chanting. Now rub your palm together. Place on your eyes. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. Look at your palm. Now shake your leg, shake your hand. Now roll your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Toes in and out. Okay. Now come in the standing position. Keep your hands on the waist. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look front. Exhale, drop your neck on the right side. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale. Now drop your chin on the neck. Clockwise. Inhale and exhale. Anti-clockwise. Inhale clockwise. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now legs together. Inhale, raise your head up, stretch yourself. Look up. Exhale, look down.
मैम आपकी सेटिंग पूरी बदली वो हुई हुई आप बहुत मतलब साइड में आधे वैसे दिख रहे हैं.
Finger lock. Keep your hands behind your ear. Look up. Lift your rib cage. Hip back. Exhale. Bend forward. Both hands on the ground. Keep your head back. Look front. Stay here. Toes up. Now hold your ankle. Inhale and exhale. Go inside. Palm together. Inhale up. Exhale back. Push your hip front. Lift your rib cage. Contact your hips. Stay here. Both hands straight. Inhale, center. Exhale. Now finger lock back side. Inhale and exhale. Bend your leg. Tailbone out. Look up. Lift your rib cage. Both hands straight. Exhale. Bend forward. Leg straight. Hold your ankle. Go inside. Inhale up. Come in the chair pose. Keep your hands behind your ear. Tailbone out. Lift your rib cage. Look up. Exhale. Bend forward. Hold your ankle. Go inside. Inhale up. Keep your hands behind your ear. Look up. Tailbone out. Exhale. Bend forward. Hold your ankle. Go inside. Inhale. Contract your belly in. Tailbone out. Lift your ribcage. Both hands straight. Shikhar. Exhale. Right hand on the left side. Left hand up. Knee together. Knee together. Inhale, center. Exhale, side change. Inhale, center. Exhale, side change. Shoulder on the knee. Inhale, center. Exhale, side change. Inhale, center. Exhale, side change. Namaskar. Shoulder on the knee. Upper elbow towards ceiling. Look up. Inhale, center. Exhale, side change. Shoulder on the knee. Upper elbow towards ceiling. Chest open. Inhale, center. Exhale. Now both hands on the ground. Tailbone towards ceiling. Wrist and shoulder in a line. Open your feet at the hip distance. Now right leg up. Look front. Stay here. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend your leg. Hold your ankle. Look front. Knee up as much as your capacity. Contract your hips. Stay here. 1. Knee up. Contract your hips. 2. सामने देखो शिखर. हाथ सीधे. 3. Palm on the ground. Look front. सामने देखो सोनू मैम. Yes. 4. Now hand down. Inhale and exhale. Lift your left leg. Look front. Stay here. 1, 2. Both hands straight. 3, 4. Bend your leg. Hold your ankle. Stay here. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, center. Exhale. Now inhale up. Palm together. Exhale. Push your hip front. Contract your hips. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, center. Exhale. Relax. Now both hands to side. Both hands behind your head. 1, 2. Start. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now both hands in the shoulder level. Inhale and exhale. 1. Chest open. Look up. Inhale, center. Exhale. 2, 3. Side change. Chest open. Don't drop your neck. Contract your hips. Contract your belly in. 4. Chest open. Contract your hips. Inhale, center. Exhale. Now side change. Contract your belly in. Contract your hips. More down. 1. Stay here. 2. More down. Hip should be stable. 3. Both hands straight. 4. Inhale, center. Exhale. Side change. Contract your belly in. Go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, center. Exhale. Now again. 1, 2. Start. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and hold. Stay here. 1. Touch your knee to the elbow. Don't bend your spine. 3, 4. Inhale center. Exhale. Side change. Stay here. Keep breathing. 1, 2. थोड़ा सा बैंड हो जाओ नीलम जी. नी की साइड. 3, 4. Inhale center. Exhale. Relax. Take deep inhale and exhale. Now open your feet mat distance. Both in front. Inhale. Contact your belly in. Exhale. Turn back. Inhale center. Exhale. 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 Inhale. Exhale. Inhale center. Exhale. Inhale center. Exhale. Inhale center. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale center. Exhale. Inhale center. Now exhale. 1. Inhale up. 2. Start. Bend हो गया आपकी लेग. ठीक है. 1. Hip down. 2. Hip down. लेग बेंड होएगी. हाँ. 3. पीछे की साइड हाथ रखेंगे. 4, 5, 6 and hold. Stay here. Look at your back side. 1. Knee down. Oh sorry. Hip down. 2, 3, 4. Inhale up. Exhale. Side change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale up. Exhale. Now lift your right leg. Toe pointed. Hold your knee. Right hand behind your back. Look back. Stay here. 1. Center. Exhale. Now side change. Lift your left leg. Hold your knee and look back. 1. Wrist and shoulder in a line. Back hand. 2. Okay. Now open your leg. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3. Leg open. अच्छे से open. 4, 5, 7, 8. श्री लक्ष्मी जी थोड़ा. 4. Now hold. Stay here. Hip down. Hip and knee in a line. Look at your upper hand. 1. Hip down. 2. हाथ सीधा ऊपर वाला. 3, 4. Inhale up. Exhale. Side change. Now hip down. 1. हाँ दोनों हाथ एक लाइन में. 2, 3, 4. Inhale center. Exhale.